Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? So we can go to the next example. Okay. Populate employee details. Populate employee details. So we can see how it works. Okay. Our next example is populate employee details. You can come here. I'm going to parent Naresh IT. Naresh IT table. New record. I'm opening record. So for populate employee details, we require fields like employee, start date, end date, duration. Okay. So employee, email, manager, location, mobile. Yeah. These fields I'm planning to display. Okay. So employee email, even mobile also I'm bringing this side. Manager. Okay. So when we select employee and submits a record, when we select employee and submits a record, it has to populate email, mobile, manager, and location details. Okay. So I'm taking duplicate. So for this requirement, like I'm just going to the business rules, new, populate employee details. I'm just selecting advanced. Whenever recording is insert, yeah, I'm just keeping before only insert update. I'm saying insert update. Whenever the employee field is selected, it has to populate the details. Okay. Where emp equal to current dot ev underscore employee. Current dot email equal to emp dot email. Current dot mobile, right? That's the current dot mobile equal to emp dot mobile phone. So here also you underscore email, okay? Next, current dot you underscore manager equal to emp dot manager. Current dot you underscore location equal to emp dot location. Okay. So this is the action. So when it will be executing before insert or update. So why I kept before here? So after submitting the record, it has to populate the data. Okay, it has to populate the data. So that's what I kept before only. Saying it. And come and refresh here. I'm just submitting this record with system administrator. That's what happens. It's populated the system administrator's data. For example, here I'm selecting as able tutor, saving it. It will populate able tutor state. You can see able tutor, mail ID, thread today. Maybe I'm selecting and user and I'm submitting the record. It may it will change the Angie's data. Okay. Like this, we are going to populate. So I'm just copying this code. Copy. We can write same example in different way. Okay. So I may explain that now. So I'm just removing all these things. Where emp equal to current to dot current dot get value of current dot get value of employee u underscore emplo. Okay. So I'm writing glide record on the employee table here. And gr equal to new glide record of. And which table we have to write glide record? Tell me. This underscore user because employee table is reference to user table. gr dot add query of gr dot add query of. Okay. Sys ID comma within the EMP we are getting the employee sys ID. Okay, user sys ID. gr dot query. So here we are dealing with single record only, right? So I'm writing if condition. gr dot next. Okay. And maybe here I'm using set value method. Okay. Earlier we used the dot working method. Right now I'm using set value. You underscore email comma gr dot get value of. If you want to use like this, yes, you can. Otherwise, you can also write like this. This is glide record that I'm writing like this. Current dot set value of by underscore but comma gr dot obl mobile phone. Current dot set value of manager underscore manager comma gr dot manager current dot set value of underscore location comma gr dot location. Okay. If you want to write like this by using glide record, yes, you can. Anything is fine. Okay. Then come and refresh here. Here I may selecting Anusha user. I'm just saving the record. You can see data will be populated. You can see Anusha file ID, manager location, like that. So even here also, if you want to write get value method, you can write get value. Maybe I'm writing now get value of the right. Value of. Okay, like this. You want to, so the coding style is like as you interested, so you can write like that. So based upon your interest, okay. There is no restriction like we have to write like this only. There is no that kind of restrictions, okay. So you can do any way. Finally, we have to receive output. We have to follow the best practices. You can say. Now it is populating system administrator details. Maybe I'm selecting NG record. So you can see we change it to NG. So any queries from this example? Today I found many options again. Any queries from this seventh example? No queries?
Uh,
Yes, tell. If no, I may go to the next example. Okay. So can here alert colors manager name while loading the instance by using the client space display business. Yeah, so basically here we have to alert when we select an employee. Okay, we have to alert employees manager display value, or maybe we can do in the instant form. That would be fine. I'm just deactivating this business room. When we select a color, we want to display colors manager name in alert message. Colors manager display name. Okay. Here you can note down about the scratchpad variable. So note down about the scratchpad variable. G underscore SCRATCH pad variable. Okay. So we already noted down about this. Second, I'm writing. G underscore scratchpad variable on display business rule. I'm just checking for the docs definition. I may copy this, okay? The G underscore scratchpad object used for passing information from the server to the client. The client requires information not available on the form. Not available on the form. Okay. This is the definition of scratchpad variable. Okay. So you can come. So you can write about this example. Alert colors manager name while loading the instant form. So I'm closing all the tabs. I'm going to incident. Okay. So when we select a color, okay, and submits a record, it has to populate colors manager name. Okay. I'm going to configure business rules. For this requirement, we have to use the display business rule. Scratchpad only works in display business rule. Okay. Scratchpad. Scratchpad. Okay. I'm just mentioning like this. And type I'm selecting display. So I'm coming to advanced. Where ng are equal to current to dot caller ID dot get display value of manager. So here I'm doing the multi dot working. Okay. G underscore SCRATCH pad dot manager equal to mgr. This would be fine. Okay, I'm just saying. We are sending we are sending manager display value. Okay, to the client side. Now again you can open incident and you can write client script to receive this configure client space. So here I'm saying a large something like this and divided by all type is unload. Scratchpad variables will only work on unload. So either you can write an unload client script or in may in unchanged client script, okay, within the easy loading parameter. So you can come where manager equal to, maybe I will write like mgr equal to the underscore scratchpad dot manager. The underscore alert in maybe in alert we will display, okay. Colors manager. Okay, I'm writing like this and do that. So you can command open any existing instance or new instance. If it is new instance, as of now it will show something empty. Okay. Maybe I'm making condition here itself. Okay. If it is a new record, I don't want to display. If current dot is new record. Okay. I'm just mentioning this. Not is new record means if it is existing record, then only it has to execute. Okay. Maybe as of now we haven't kept so this will also work. 1 minute, maybe I will again explain something different. Okay, if even here also I'm keeping, if we want, so if we kept one time that would be fine. So in business rule you already kept, again and again not required. I may keeping this. Okay, underscore form dot is new record, because the script also will execute right when our form is loading. That's what I'm keeping here also new record condition. Okay, so you can come and refresh here. Script will not execute. Other I will do that. Short description test. I'm saying it. Now it has to display a colors management. Tell me guys what happened. Something is sim. Okay. I'm open existing record. Why? Tell me. Why? What happened? Why no instance appearing here? Because maybe in incident table we haven't deactivated that before query business yesterday we tried, right? That we haven't deactivated. So you can see I'm just deactivating it. Pause. Close it. I'm trying to create a new instance. Okay. I may select level to tab. Here I'm saying test. Save. Okay. It will alert colors manager name. So able tutor's manager name is, it's not able tutor. Okay. Boom. Fred Ludy. But it is showing able tutor's display value. No, we don't want like that. So we may need to modify something in the code. You can come caller id dot manager dot get display value. I'm writing like this. Okay, I'm writing like now it will work perfectly. Okay. So if you want to make this condition here, you can make. So let's just keeping here. You can remove this if condition. Okay, if you want. Okay, saving it. Now you can come and refresh here. You can see what happens. Coming or not. So generally, only by using client scripts, you cannot get callers manager display value. Okay, because it involves multi-dot working. You can see one dot, second two dots. Okay, three dots. Yeah. But client scripts only accept single dot working. Okay, with single dot working, it's not possible for us to send callers manager display value. That's what we have used stash pad variable. Copy. I'm pasting here. Copy. This could also I'm pasting. This
Can
is
you also write the which method we have used before or after
display.
update insert?
Yeah, display videos. Okay. Do I need to write here what type I have to use?
Yeah, please write the.
Display video. So you can see. While creating an incident, based upon the caller we selected, display the number of instances created by caller. You can see what they are saying. While creating an incident, based upon the caller we selected, display the number of instances created by the caller. I'm just deactivating this client script after my explanation. Even I'm deactivating this business tool after my explanation. Save. Close it. Refresh it. For example, you can see now we selected caller able tutor. I just want to know how many instances are there by able tutor. Okay, I just want to know how many instances are there by able tutor. So you know that logic we already discussed earlier. Okay, you can say almost 9 records are there. So if again I'm creating one new instant record, so at that time it has to send count. For example, if we create one more record with able total, it has to send count 10 in the instant form. Now you can come. I'm just going to the configure business rules. New display count of incidents by color while inserting a record. Okay, I'm just selecting after business rule because we don't require to update anything. Okay, so I'm going to advance. Here I'm writing glide aggregate. Where gr equal to new glide record of glide aggregate of incident gr dot add to the caller id comma current dot caller id gr dot add aggregate of. So I'm just using consider you sound gr dot query while dot net. Okay. where count equal to gr dot get aggregate of count. Now you can write adding, so just start adding information. Information. Total number of incidents created by created by current dot get display value of variable of caller ID is okay count. I'm just writing like this. In- instead of gr we may use ga object. Yeah, even if we use gr, not an issue. I'm just saying it. You can see what happens. You can come and open incident. So maybe here I'm selecting able total, for example. Okay, test. Save. You can see. Total number of incidents created by able tutor is 10. 10 incidents. Okay. Maybe I'm taking new record. So I may select time user. Okay. Then save this. Will show the count. 4 records. With Anji user, we have 4 records only. This is one example. Copy. Save. So this is 9th example. Any queries, let me know. Otherwise, I will go to the 10th example. Okay. Don't resolve the incident if incident associated with change request is not closed. We don't want to resolve the incident if it having the open change. If incident having the open change, we don't want to resolve the incident. We can try this. Closing it. So for example, if I'm trying to resolve the incident, okay, if this incident having any change request, that would be opened. That would be opened. That would be in open state. We don't want to resolve the incident. We don't want to resolve the incident. Okay. This is the requirement. Configure business tool. By mistakenly, two empty business software. Check for open change. Check for open change. Okay, advanced. Like what client step we have to do before business rule only we have to do because we are resolving that we are trying to resolve. When it has to execute state changes changes state changes to state changes to result. You may keep like this. Yeah, state changes to result. We are trying to change the state result. Well, it has to execute. So where gr equal to nuclear record of, and what table we have to write clear record? Change table. Change underscore record. Gr dot add query of. So sys id comma. So what is the field name for the change request? I think change. RFC. Okay, field name is RFC. Current dot RFC. Gr dot query. And we may also check the state of the change request. Wait. I'm going to sys underscore choice table. Our table name is change underscore request. Element is state. So we have to check with closed and cancelled. 3, 4. Okay. Gr dot add query of. Yeah, query of state. Just saying like this, not in 3 comma 4. State not in 3 comma 4. Got it, everyone? This everybody got it? What do you mean by state not in 3 comma 4? State not in 3 comma 4 means state change request is not closed or change request is not cancelled. Okay, that means change request is opened. We are checking whether change request is open or not. Come here. So if change request is open, yeah, dot next. Current dot set about action. True. We have to make it. And I'm also printing one alert message. Current dot add error message. Wait. Yes, dot add error message. And change that where please close down change request unresolved. Okay, got it, everyone? Open change associated with the incident. Please close the change and resolve the incident. I'm just providing some message kind. Saving. Now you can come. Here I'm going to assign some change request. Open change request. Please reboot anta. Okay, please reboot application. It is state is in new state. Okay, state in new. I'm just assigning this to some group software batch, saving it. Okay, so it is having open change, right? If we submit it, it don't want to resolve. We don't want to resolve. Okay, saving. So what happened? Open change associated with this incident. Okay, please close the change and resolve the incident. It will never resolve the incident. Okay. Now again, I'm trying to resolve it. So I'm going to resolution information. I'm providing something. Okay. I'm trying to save this incident. You can see it will throw an error. No, it is saved. Why? Because you can see change request is not saved. I may show you with one new incident. Colorable footer, short description test, change request. This one. It is already open state. It is in open state. Okay, new. Saving this thing. Now, if we are trying to resolve this, will never resolve. Okay. I'm trying to save. It will show invalid. Okay. Open change associated with this incident. Please close the change and resolve the incident. I'm just refreshing this incident. Again, I'm trying to resolve the incident. It will never accept. Save. Again and again, it will try and happen. Okay. Open change associated with this incident. Please close the change and resolve the incident. If we want to resolve this incident, definitely we need to close the close this particular change request. Okay, then only we can. So now I'm going to this change request. Okay, now I'm going to this change request. I'm just close this change request. Okay, I'm just closing this change request. Then it will accept. Okay, otherwise, saving it. Hmm. It is waiting for somebody's approval. This change request. Approve. Team, this meeting will end in 1 minute. Please join again with the same meeting ID. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going to implement it. So I'm just going to review. I'm just going to close. Here also further information is required. I'm just closing the change request.